All right, it is another week. We'll continue on this video. I'm going to make a top-down analysis to get a directional bias and opportunities for next week. Okay, so if you're new, make sure you hit subscribe button to show us your support. Okay, so that is silver. Let's start the silver on daily time frame. Silver on daily time frame, we have this structure. You can see price take out this sell side liquidity. So on daily time frame, we have liquidity sweep. After liquidity sweep, you can see here price created a rejection or manipulation candle, closed the bullish. So Friday candle closed the bullish to give us daily CRT. You can see we have CRT low and CRT high after liquidity sweep. That is very powerful CRT that created after liquidity sweep. So the bias is bullish for Monday. Or Monday bias is bullish on silver. Let's shift on 4H. On 4H time frame, we have this market structure. On 4H time frame, you can see we have engulfing candle. We have this engulfing candle. That is very good kind of confirmation for reversal. Very good kind of confirmation for reversal. So that shows the markets were likely to buy on Monday. So we have to find buying opportunities. We have to find buying opportunities here. On 4H time frame, we have this demand. See, we have very clear demand here. You can shift it to lower time frame to find further point of interest on discount level. On H1, we have this unmitigated demand zone. So we can use this H1 unmitigated demand as our point of interest for next week. Wait confirmation, activation, and we can execute long position, and target will be on that daily CRT high. To be very clear, trades do not enter without any confirmation. You're supposed to wait confirmation to execute trades. Okay, so that is it on silver Monday. Let's see another pair, Euro USD. Euro USD, we have this market structure on Euro USD. Instead on 4H or weekly time frame. Or instead with the weekly time frame, you can see last week candle closed the bullish, and it is creating a counter trend to this weekly supply. You can see we are going to this weekly supply for sales. Okay, shifted to 4H. On 4H, you have this market instruction, very clear. It is kind of bullish counter trend. You can see we have break UFO structure here, pullback, and then another break UFO structure here after liquidity sweep on left side. You can see here we got a clear liquidity sweep. Okay, and then price retraced back to this optimal entry level, retested and rejected. Very good, very well. You get another impulsive. So right now price is on counted on retracement. On your price feeble can recognize that right now price is mitigating point of interest, which is optimal entry point. So now price is ranging on that optimal entry point. So expecting on Monday, we'll find buys from this area, find buys from this optimal entry area. Our target should be on that weekly supply, that way on Euro USD. Find buys from that zone, wait clear shift, and then execute trade target that weekly supply. Gbpusd. On Gbpusd also we have this market structure. This kind of bullish market structure, very clear. You can see we take out this low as liquidity sweep. After liquidity sweep, you can see price creating break of structure, which is continuation. Breaking of structure, then pull back to discount level, another breaking of structure, another breaking of a structure. You see impulsive, uh, and then corrective move to discount level, apply FIBO from this low to this high, that impulsive move, and then you can recognize that we are on point of interest right now. Price is tested on that optimal entry zone, and then you can see 4H close the engulfing. We have this 4H engulfing candle there. We have that 4H engulfing candle created there. Okay, so expecting on Monday price will trace back to this 4H demand. You can see we have that demand or the block, but then we'll get entry, we'll target this liquidity here on left side. So when you execute a long position from that area, our target to be on that high. So your it is to wait confirmation on that for H demand, and then execute long position, target that high. To be simple as that. Okay. Let's see Goldie. Goldie also can see on Friday. On Friday, we successfully take out liquidity and we got a 4H engulfing candle. Succeeded to get 4H engulfing candle. Here, that is clear liquidity sweep. That is clear liquidity sweep. And above here, we have major external range liquidity. We have major external range liquidity. Also here, we have another one on this top, have another liquidity around that area. So you can see 4H candle on Friday, 4H candle on Friday, this one. It is engulfing candle that confirm bullish momentum. It confirm bullish momentum. So after creation of that engulfing candle, expect the price will raise up either direct from that point, will target this high, or will retrace back to discount level. Let us drop to lower time frame if there is any point of interest which is unmitigated. On H1, you can see already price mitigate this H1 imbalance. Price mitigate that H1 imbalance, and it closely with that manipulation candle. It closely with that heavy rejection candle, and it closely bullish. That confirm bullish continuation. That confirm bullish continuation. So you're supposed to buy from that area, target that external range liquidity. Okay. So let us drop further to lower time frame. 30-minute on discount level, any point of interest on discount level. If we get a pullback to discount level, here we have this balance price range. So if price will decide to print a retracement to discount level, we'll buy from this area. We have this BPR. Okay, we buy from that balance price range, but expecting when price will open with a gap downward, it means price will drop to this point of interest directly, that balance price range, and then we'll catch a buy move direct to this point. If price will open with a gap upside, it means we'll drop to fill the gap and then we'll buy directly, target that external range liquidity. So on Yoli, I see the buy, say buy on Goldie, and that will be a target number one. And final target will be on that external range liquidity. That is my view on Goldie. That is my view on Goldie. So it is to wait confirmation to reduce risk. You can't enter on that uh, area without any kind of confirmation. Your risk will be huge. You can see stop loss is around this 4H low. So when you enter directly around this area, supposedly to place a stop loss around this low, which is very, very risky. So you're supposed to wait confirmation to reduce your risk. Okay, so I hope it is helpful for you. Let's wait market open and then we continue. VIP is available $20 per month, and we continue. We keep pushing.